I'm sick of church people. I'm sick of church people who have a form of godliness with inside the four walls of the church, but the moment they step outside of the building, you wouldn't know who they belong to. I'm sick of church people who know how to shout and they know how to speak in a tongue very fluently, but they're nasty and they wreak spiritual havoc wherever they go. I'm sick of church people who think that they're the only ones that God has gifted and speaks to. I am sick of church people who pervert the word and twist it for their own gain. I am sick of church people who seek to build their own kingdom and not the kingdom of God. I am sick of church people, but I'm excited. I'm excited about the doers of the word. I'm excited about the seekers, those who chase after God with all of their might and they knock on the doors of his heart until he answers. I'm excited about the servants who serve Christ and they steward the mysteries of God. And because they chase after God with everything that they have, they know that it is he who will cause them to shine. I'm excited about the believers who know that church is not a building, but that we are the temple of the Most High God. And that the church is the bride of Christ. And that is a ceremony I don't ever want to miss out on. It's not about celebrity, becoming known, gaining riches. But those doers, seekers, servants, and believers, let's strive to be more of that.